Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another close-up on some squishies. Today we're going to be doing a close-up on some Hello Kitty squishies, specifically the Hello Kitty in bunny costumes. The first one we have is this Hello Kitty in a teal and yellow bunny costume. It has felt pink accents, and the tag is really cute. Feel free to pause to see any of the details. There's a little date on the bottom, as well as the tag. This next one is really cute. It's a purple and pink Hello Kitty in a bunny costume. And yes, you're seeing the correct on the tag. There are 6 different styles to get. This one coming up is another personal favorite of mine. She has kind of the inverted pink and purple with yellow accents. She's very cute. I love the felt accents, like the heart on the stomach and the classic bow. And she's dated 2010 on the bottom. These all are. It's very nostalgic to me. I think that covers this little close-up on my Hello Kitty and bunny costume squishies. Some of them have minor cracks, but that's just due to the age and them being squeezed. Some of the significant cracks were done by the previous owner, but these are very cute. I'm so glad to own them. They're very nostalgic to me, as I'm sure they are to you as well. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And make sure to check out my other videos. There's going to be more fun videos coming soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.